Introduce today. Give your sister a pair of shorts. Leave it on with the shirt above. This pair of pants I see. There is a part. A vertical glass. Put the zipper on and the back is the back. And now we're going to start going into the design part. To draw this pattern, we need to have a measurement. Waist butt. I'll have waist and butt measurements. These two for your measurements. Each person will have a different waist and butt measurement. I'll measure it so I can use it in the recipe. Soon to be shared. The first step is to determine the length of the pants. Well, with these pants, it will break the line. Big back out. So I took a piece of the length of the pants. After I left the line. Here I take long pants, about 35 to 40 millimeters of gasoline. Then we'll build a road. Next, I'll take it to the waist. It will be based on the main road. So you're going to figure out the way down the ass is equal to your ass divided by 4 sisters plus 5. This year I have a back. This ass is 80. Dividing 4 plus 5 is 25. I'll measure from top to bottom 25. Block a perpendicular line. And then I'm going to take the hip to hip. Divide by 4 sisters plus 3, and from the above, I have the cleavage. So I'm going to add 1 here. My ass is 80 divided by 4. Here you add 4 to 24. I'll calculate from this paragraph. 24 are here. I pulled over and then backed off 3 gas. Next is from the passage. Outside, if you divide these two into 2, it will be 12. I built a perpendicular line. This road is called the middle road. Then I'll take it from here. You'll take it by the waist. Divide 8 minus 1. 64 divided by 8 minus 1. That's 7. From here, you measure 7. Put this part in. I can draw the crotch. And this part you're going to put right down. And then another 1.5 inches. Then, next on this side, you'll measure backwards. Then it will be the waist. Divide by 8 plus 1 and add 4 centimeter gasoline of the side. 64 divided by 8 plus 5. 64 divided 8. That's equal to 8 plus 5. I'm equal to 13. I'll take it out. Then you'll have a flank line right around this corner. So right here, you're going to get 4. I will. I'll draw the middle one for the side later. And then the next part, you're going to get some gas, so that we will make the front back. And from that place, this 1.5, you build a perpendicular road, the original line. And we're going to turn this line back to a perpendicular one, and we'll get the flank line of the front body. And the body. I'm going to cut the body first. Hey, in the case that you want to break the hybrid, if we grow up, we will fold this line. Then you turn it upside down, we'll get a big line. It's like here. You see here. It's going to be missing right here in the corner. This corner is missing. So, when you bite, you have to leave the part. Here's the fishtail. So when we break the live part, it doesn't miss. Remember to note this place. Then we get the body part first. Once done, body first, we will do it for the back body. Leave this box here. I put it in here. The body will do the following. From the horizontal part of the front, you're going to back down to a centimeter of gas and start from the point where the feeling of this previous body, you will cross a path. And from here you take a piece of buttocks. Divided by 480 divided by 4 is equal to 20. And you will measure. From this position, you put that number in 20. And then this part. If you measure it, it's your ass. Divide by 10 minus 1. 80 divided by 10 minus 1 is equal to 7. You took 7. Then we'll put the body back in. Put it in the right place. Next, you're going to stretch this road. The road in the middle, the road in the middle. And from this road you just measured up to petrol. And then right from this to gas corner, you just measured back through a passage. So this part of it will depend on the ego. If your waist is less than 65, 2.5 inches, you're 2.5 inches. If the waist is greater than 65 3 meters, you will go out. If your waist is from 65 to 72, fecal you go out. And a half. From 72 to 7, you will add 4. From 75 to 80, they have 4.5. And from 80 to 83 is 5 petrol. Then is. If you are older than 8 or 3, you can take 5 if more gasoline. 5, it's 5. Here my asses. If my waist is 64, it will be small. It's about 65. Right hip, we're going to take 2.5 inches. So from here you're going to measure 2.5 inches. Right around this corner. 2 years. It's been 2 decades since you've stretched it out here. Then this part. We'll figure it out from here. It's about your ass and your waist. I'm sorry, ladies. Divided by 4 sisters plus to 64. Divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. From here you can measure a passage that is equal to 18. We split in 2. We'll draw the vertical one later. And then you're going to have 2 inches on this side. This rib out 2 inches. And then we go back to the waist. We have just identified. And then we cross this line equally. From here, you can get 2 more meters of gas. And now I'm taking out the front body. Then you're going to draw a straight line from the place where butt split 4. And then we can draw the bottom. And then you go back to these 2 inches. And we split this place in 2. So I'm going to draw the vertical here. And we've just finished the trouser body. After hours I cut. We're going to get this part of the back. After that, there is no luck, ladies. You'll cut off two bodies except for the seams. As for the previous body, you will. Well, this is the middle of the cleavage. Then you stack the stack. This glass on each side is gasoline. Put another one here. Then you'll have a nice layering here. And on the part, in this case, we'll always have the back. So this back, you're going to leave the soldiers. This back is big. I'm going to cut the back out, and this is the year of gasoline. Next time, we're going to lean in. You also cut this back. Then when you cut this back, the bend, it's so high, and if you want long, then you can move this part down. Keep it long if you want to keep it short. So we're going to make it short. It's hitting it depending on its ass. I cut off this back. And one last point, on this model as well. As you can see, it's going to have folding pads to decorate the back instead of the harness. You're going to be lucky, or you're going to be lucky. That. For every glass like that, it would be one. We're in about 4.5 rows. I've got 4 rows like this, and you will be lucky for him. Fold this eyelid and make it neat. Fortunately, I arranged it like this. And then you're going to put it on your back. And this back is the sutra. What? This stack is only in 2/3. You're going to take 2/3 of the length of the back panel. And then this part, you're going to do this to endings. Let's thread the rope. We tie the back of our pants. And we're done with the shorts. A wide tube that has a decorative part for the back end. Stacked to vertical cups. Here, I just shared. Finished the whole model today. To my sisters. The sisters saw what was not clear. Remember to comment below. I'll see and answer for you. Thank you for watching and remember to like the channel. Shincho and see you all.